What's up guys? Welcome back to our channel.
You're with Kenan and Kim. So for today, we're gonna be sharing with you guys the whole process of going home to the Philippines as an OFW.
Actually guys, namin dili karon sa Manila guys. Gikan mi sa Maldives. Among flight from Maldives is June 10 and then arrive mi diri June 11.
So, naami vlog coming up about our international flight nga katugikan ni sa Maldives antod naabot ni sa Manila. So, this is just an informational video guys para sa katong mga OFWs na ganahan sad mo uli but nahadlok just like us before. Nahadlok yun mi mo uli because we knew nga ang process and ang system diri is very unorganized or so we thought. Mo share lang mi ninyo sa among personal experience sa among pag-uli.
So before mi mag-start guys, amo lang i-assure sa inyo na grabe kayo ka-safe inig uli nya accommodating kay ang mga tao. Ang process is pas-pas kaayo nindot as in di wa mo angay kahadlok.
Okay, so mag-start lang ta ninyo sa pag-abot namo sa Manila because we have different experiences coming from different countries pod. So I think same ra ang atong experience ig-abot gyud mismo sa airport. So right now, ang tanan nga gikan sa abroad muland yun sa Manila. So other airports are still closed for international flights or repatriation flights or whatever. So tanan nga OFWs mo abot yun sa Manila. So by the way guys, mo ara gid siyang personal experience. It might be different for you and also like we said, we landed in NAIA pag June 11. So every day nag-change ang ilahang mga procedures and processes and everything. So by the time na muuli mo, it might be different na pod. So this is just our personal experience just to give you an idea kung unsay nahitabo. So, when we landed in NAIA, naay taga Bureau of Quarantine nga nisulod sa amo ang aircraft. Then they gave out these yellow papers. So you have to fill it out sa airplane kay igsud ninyo sa airport, wala nay place to fill out. So you have to fill it out before you go down. So after filling out the paper na gihatag sa taga Bureau of Quarantine, pwede na mo munaog sa plane.
So nag-abot ninyo guys, nare masugat ninyo. Unya ihatod mo kung asa mo na gate or room kay separate man jud tanan kay naman good tay policy na social distancing. And then nag-abot sa room, mag-wait lang kag mga pila ka minutes para abot tanan. Then after that, naamoy orientation for like 30 minutes tingali na namoy pa-fill out dito.
Nanasay daghan mga forms nga ipa-fill out sila, probably 4 forms inyo ipang-fill out. So it's very important yun to bring a ball pen because from the airplane pa lang daan daghan jud kayo gi-fill out ng mga forms guys until nga maabot mo sa airport na pod to go back to your provinces or kung asa mo padung. And even here sa quarantine facility, daghan kay gipang fill out jud na forms and then it's not safe nga maghuam-huam ra kag ballpen because you know, touch. So after sa orientation and sa pag-fill out sa katong mga forms na ilang gihatag, paspas jud kaayo kay diretso na dayon swab test, right? And then faster jud kaayo ang paglinya. The swab test only takes about maybe 30 seconds. Dali ra jud kaayo as in very smooth.
Mouth, ilong. Mana?
Mouth ilong, imo ako ilong then mouth.
Ew!
No, lahi mang good ako.
Lahi na siya na cotton ganito.
So,
sa mouth lahi po sa ilong.
Lol kay ko love. So sa ako kay nose una then sa mouth. I really wanted to take a video of the swab test but pag abot na ako dito gingnan ko sa katong girl nga dili pwede but naka-capture ko gamay lang jud kayo katong sa kanan. Cute cake na. Anyway, so after sa swab test, pwede na ninyo kuhanin yung luggage.
And then guys, after ninyo makuha inyong luggage, diretso lang mo, lakaw mo dito sir, ma'am. Naray mo hatod ninyo ngadto. Nya igabot ninyo ngadto, mulinya na pod mo. Nagabot sa unahan sa inyong linya, na mo i-fill upan dito na information kung taga-asa mo, sa imong pangalan, kinsa yung contact number.
Basic information.
Basic information ra. After ana, ma'am sir, lakaw na pod mo dito sa unahan, maglinya na pod mo. Linya na taas-taas pod gamay. Unya igabot ninyo sa tumoy, ihatod ra mo bus padung sa inyong hotel.
So actually, from the airport itself, na yung mga taga-Philippine Coast Guard na mo explain nga padung mo ihatod mo sa hotel, obviously kay naman mo sa bus. But walay ni-explain na mo nga asa mi na hotel, like unsa mong gihuwat. But we were waiting, we were just sitting on the bus. Mga 2 hours nya gutom na gyud kaayo. So niland among flight 4 o'clock and then naabot siguro mi sa bus let's say mga about 6 PM and then naabot na gyud mi, nakasud na gyud mi sa hotel mga 11:30.
Wala mo yung kabalaka na ma'am sir kay pinangga man mo sa mga tao.
In fairness, pag abot gyud na mo like during the orientation and everything, ang mga taga Coast Guard, they're so calm, accommodating kay sila. They joke around, they make you laugh.
Nakanindot pa dyan guys, no? Kaya igawas ninyo ikan sa airport, na imukuwats yung bag, ibutang sa bus.
Yes, and they really...
Maraming mga prinsipe, yung mga prinsesa.
They really understand nga daghan jud kay luggage kay of course nanguli gud ang mga OFWs dili ni siya bakasyon. We don't know how long mi ma-stuck sa Philippines so gidagyud na mo halos tanan namong things. So kasabot gyud sila then as in basta murag pina 5-star service.
So tip lang guys, pagdalan dyan mo pagkaon, basta mga cup noodles, in case kung gutomon mo in between.
Naray hot water sa airport. But I would say, just expect nga mga 6 to 8 hours from the airport to your hotel. So, in between, of course, maggutom-gutom dyan. So, pagdala lang mo mga snacks like mga biscuits and everything. So, na-surprise me guys pag abot na mo sa hotel because sosyalan siya na hotel. It's Crown Plaza Hotel. Wow! So, nag-wait na sad mi sa bus outside the hotel guys because daghan man mi nga buses. Probably mga 100 daw kabuok OFWs ang katong from our flight nga ni check-in ani nga hotel. Some of our colleagues were taken to Dusitani and then we don't know asa pa ang uban.
And then pag abot na mo guys, gipaato mi sa taas. Pag abot na mo sa taas, gipa-wait big mga let's just say 30 minutes to 1 hour guys. Kay tungod ihatag nila ang imong keycard kung asa ka na room.
So you just give your passport to them and then tawagon ra ka, then ihatag ni imong keycard. So mo ni siya among room guys. We will tour you around very quickly. Okay guys, now we're gonna tour you sa room na gi-provide sa OWWA. We are actually at Crown Plaza Hotel in Manila Galleria. So Ortigas man siguro niya. So we're in room 1507. So this is it. So it's a very standard hotel room guys. Na sila obviously this one which is full of our luggage. Blah blah blah. Then there's a safe and all these drawers. And then this is the restroom, CR. We actually just showered, so yeah, it's very big, guys. There's a tub, bathtub, and then the sink. We have all our toiletries here. My toilet, and then a shower area. So it's very big and spacious. I highly suggest guys na you bring your own toiletries because this hotel room comes with only this and kani shampoo, which is shampoo, conditioner, body lotion, and body soap. So like toothpaste, so bring your own toothpaste. But also this is just in Crown Plaza Hotel, so in other accommodations, it might be different. But it's always good to be ready na magdala siya kag imong own toiletries. Pagdala sa mong mga snacks, guys, because kanina lang ihatag ay coffee, tea, then wala sila ihatag na snacks, then ang ilahang food kay gamay ra. Okay, so now we go to the main area. As you can see, it's very huge. Na worry gid ni Kenan actually nga dili masigo ang mga things. And thank you so much by the way to OWWA for allowing us to be together because some couples wala sila gisugtan na together sila, but we were together when we came, and datong sa amo ang gikanan na place which is in the Maldives, we were also together there, we were living together. So if naami virus, let's just say nagkuyog naman mi dito, so marabag there's no point in separating us. So yeah, it's very big and spacious. There's a TV, and then there's this place here where Kenan set up his station, big bed, dali. And then this chair, and then this chair. Yeah, that's it. Very straightforward, guys. So we weren't actually expecting, guys, na inguna ni kanindot ang accommodation na ihatag nila karon because katong pinaka first good nga repatriation flight from the Maldives, more sila na experiment. Gibutang sila sa World Trade Center and burag ka ng cubicle lang gani. Common ang CR and all the facilities. So we didn't expect that it's gonna be a hotel room and it's gonna be this nice.
Diba? Nindot kayo mong room?
Mukuyawan mo tanim mo eh. So as you can see guys, comfortably jud kaayo ang ilahang i-provide na accommodation. And as I mentioned earlier, some of our friends kay naa sa Dusitani, so I'm sure it's a very beautiful hotel pod. So it's very spacious, very nice, air conditioned. So now we're gonna answer some of your questions, guys. So ang pinaka number one question na gipangutana sa tanan is, libre ba ang accommodation and ang food?
Yes! Libre ra!
So yes, guys, everything is provided and it's all free by OWWA. So it's different if you're coming from outside of the Philippines and dili ka OFW because it will be at your own expense. But if OFW ka, libre gyud siya tanan. So you won't spend not even a single peso. Okay? So ang next frequently asked question is how long magstay sa quarantine facility or sa hotel?
Depende ra jud guys. Abot niyo sa airport, i-swab test mo. Unya ang giingon nila, mag-wait mo 3 to 5 days, maximum of 7 days para sa result.
Today is actually the 3rd day of our quarantine and nigawas na ang mga results sa amo ang friends but ang amo wala pa guys. You can actually track kung nigawas na ibang negative test results sa Philippine Coast Guard official page sa Facebook. They will post the link kung asan nyo makita tanan OFWs nga nangabot, kunya ni undergo sa swab testing and yan na sila yung negative result. 3rd day pa man karon so wala pa kayo miingon na kulbaan. Nakulbaan na ka? So wala pa kayo miingon na kulbaan because 3 to 5 days man lang ingon. Yan na may makulbaan mga 6 day na nga. Wa pa jud ni abot.
Mas makulbaan mo guys no kung nana magibati.
So, in short, guys, you will be at the quarantine facility mga 3 to 7 days, let's just say. So, if mugawas na inyong negative test result, guys, they will immediately take you to the airport. As in, some of our friends didn't even get to take a shower or finish their lunch. Kay diretsyo din sila sa airport. And then, dito na ka makaibaw if naba kay flight padung sa inyong province. And katong mga taga Luzon, gidiretsyo na din sila bus. Hatod na din sila kung asa sila padung.
Yung pinaka-nindot na pangutana sa tanan. Sakit ba ang swab test?
Oh no!
I would say it varies from person to person. Kasi kanan wala gyud siya sakit, gilok kuno niya, kaatsingon siya.
Pag-anak now.
Pero ako kay nasakitan gyud ko.
Actually guys, gilok siya, anak ka nang wapakasod, ka nang padung pamusod, igabot diri kay murag weird na siya ba? Opin dyan ni mo.
Ako kay nasakitan jud ko pag ana niya kay paspas siya kay but na siya, okay, try your best not to move. Chuk chuk ano daw yun niya. Sasakit gyud siya.
Pag anak nila ilang gyana, na uban kay naon jung uban, itik-tuyok jud. Kana mo tingali mo sakit.
And then sa mouth kay kanang dapat heavy nga jud guys kay ako pag ana nako kay na siya. Sige pa jud nga pa jud.
Ako pag ganun ako no, yung gyana, yara jud ko.
Sa mukha. Yeah, so in short, depende ra gyud sa tao but 100% kaya ra gyud sa tanan tao. Mabata, matiguang, kaya ra gyud siya.
Dili sa kanang yung you-think na sakit ba? Di siya na nakasakit jud actually.
Yeah. It's just uncomfortable but not really that painful.
So next question, libre ba ang flight?
So sa international flight, guys, it all depends if naay repatriation flight nga giset sa government. So in our case, kay chartered flight to siya. So ang amo ang company mo ni bayad. But napoy other times nga mag-send ang government og aircraft nga kuhaon ng mga Filipino. So kana sometimes libre, sometimes naay bayad gamay. And then for the domestic flight going to your province, as far as we know right now, libre daw sa OWWA.
So ang next question guys is, i-quarantine pa ba ka igabot nimo sa imong province?
So very short answer guys is we don't know. It depends kung asa mo. So best to just ask your local government unit or magpapangutana mo sa inyong family there. So someone asked me kung until when daw ni kaingon ani ang process. So the short answer is we don't know. I think kailangan lang jud siguro mag-keep up sa mga news because as I said, every day it's changing. So kani siya personal experience lang gid ni siya namo.
Alright, next question. Unsay mahitabo nimo kung positive ka?
So actually guys, when we arrived here, sa first day pa lang namo dinhi, ingon ang taga-OWWA nga dili lang jud ta mo gawas because naay nag-positive diri sa building. So as far as we know, gi-pick up siya sa taga Bureau of Quarantine and gida siya sa isolation facility but we don't know gyud the whole process kay di man mi positive. Oh, lawag ta kay Bob. We'll tell you guys kung ma-positive gani mi pag-vlog mi.
Day 1 guys. So next question, makagawas-gawas ba ka diri sa building or sa imong room?
Short answer is no. You can't even go out of your room nga magsuri-suri ka diri sa building. You just have to stay inside your room and then if you have any needs nga importante like if you want to buy some toiletries or some snacks, pwede ra ka magpasuyo sa taga-OWWA. You just call them and then they will do everything for you but tagaan lang namo sila gamay na tip para sa ilahang effort pod.
And also guys, if di mo magpatuo sa ilahang mga rules dire na ay multa, 10,000 pesos.
Mo ba?
Oh no!
Okay ba?
Hello kay Bao.
Ako nang gibasa dito. Na siya multa guys. Kung mugawas mo, kaya namin mga cameras daya, mugawas mo, mulabag mo sa mga rules, na siya multa.
I just know nga there is strictly no smoking diri sa hotel. Then kung mag-smoke gani ka 10,000 pesos.
Kung katol na jud kayo, ang dama lang yung kwarta diya.
Daghana na lang og smoke. Kanapo na lang ba? And then some additional information, guys, dili pwede magpa-interview sa media and dili sad pwede mag-post sa social media while we are here sa quarantine facility. By the time na amo ning gi-post, nauli na mi sa amoa. If mag-post ka sa social media, pwede nila i-confiscate imuhang mga gadgets and iuli nila nimo after na sa imuhang quarantine. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any more questions, just comment it down below. We also have a vlog about our whole trip from the Maldives back to the Philippines and then to our province.
If you like this video, guys, just press that like button there down below. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
Like our Facebook page.
And see you guys on our next video.